Counting in Korean might be one of the most confusing things ever. I moved to Korea over 3 years now and I still have problems with it. That being said, let me explain to you why it can be so difficult. Korean actually has two different systems for counting numbers. There's a native Korean number system and a Sino-Korean number system, which is influenced by Chinese. And you can't just get away with knowing just the Korean version. You also need to learn the Sino-Korean or you won't be able to live your life in Korea. These number systems are not often interchangeable, but they are commonly used together. For example, with time. When telling time in Korean, the native Korean is used for hours and the Sino-Korean is used for minutes. And typically when counting things like nouns, like tangerines, you would typically count 1 tangerine, 2 tangerines in native Korean. That would sound like 귤 1개, 귤 2개. That's not always the case. If you want to count languages like 1 language, 2 language, you wouldn't say 국어 1개, 국어 2개. People use the Sino-Korean like 2개 국어, 3개 국어. Like I showed at the beginning, when doing tallies, you do it like this. This is the Chinese character Chong, which is used for tallying things. Instead of tallying like this, they would write it out like this. You will see this a lot, especially in places like restaurants.